Did you know that one emperor's stubborn decision lost an entire empire in a single day? In 1071, Byzantine Emperor Romanos IV faced the Seljuk Turks at Manzikert. His generals begged him to stay back and command safely, but Romanos ignored them completely. He grabbed his sword and charged straight into battle himself. Then disaster struck. His horse bolted toward the enemy lines, carrying the shocked emperor right into Turkish hands. The mighty ruler of Byzantium was now a prisoner. Back in Constantinople, nobles heard rumors that Romanos was dead. Civil war exploded as everyone fought for the throne. Meanwhile, Sultan Alp Arslan treated his royal captive with surprising kindness and respect. When Romanos finally returned home after paying ransom, his own people turned against him. They threw him off the throne and brutally blinded him as punishment for his failure. This single battle changed history forever. The Turks poured into Anatolia and never left. 400 years later, they would conquer Constantinople itself. One man's pride had doomed an empire.